Titans, a big decision looms for the Ethereum spot ETF. So let's talk about the timing, what the current market sentiment is, and where both Bitcoin and Ethereum stand on the charts at this time as we wait for the decision. Kevark, hit that intro. Let's kick it off with a quick reminder that we're expecting a decision to be made by the SEC for the first Ethereum spot ETF by tomorrow, May 23rd. And just to get an idea of what the latest market sentiment is here, over the last 3 days now, we've seen the market sentiment has changed a lot from only believing there would be a 10% chance of approval. Then that went up to 65% after rumors came out that the SEC may be having a change of heart. And now we're up to a 68% chance of approval by the end of this month per Poly market. So there may be some volatility in the crypto space today until we finally have our answer for the first deadline tomorrow. All right, now let's hit the charts. All right, looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we're now on day 83 of this overall sideways consolidation phase. And after getting rejected at this resistance zone ranging from about 71.6K to 73.1K, Bitcoin pulled back to the 0.786 Fibonacci level at just over 70K yesterday, and now we're sitting just below it at the moment. So at this point, it's just a waiting game as the outcome of tomorrow's Ethereum spot ETF decision will more than likely be the catalyst for deciding whether we will be breaking through this 71.6K to 73.1K resistance zone and ending the consolidation, or if we'll continue consolidating some more. But for now, let's zoom in on the current price action to get a better idea of what's happening there. Zooming into the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, you can see that we're currently consolidating within this triangle at the moment, and the Bollinger Bands are getting really tight within this region. And this is also reflected within the Bollinger Band Width Indicator below here. So we're only hours away from seeing either a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Now, if we're going to have a breakout to the downside, there's a high probability that we're going to come back down to revisit this support level at around 67.4K. Zooming out to the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, you can see that we had a breakout to the upside for this bull flag pattern that we spoke of earlier this week. And this breakout has a price target of just over 100K. So from here, it'll be important that we continue to see this candle right here stay above this resistance line throughout the rest of this week through this coming Sunday evening. And finally, let's take a quick look at Ethereum on the daily time frame. So after the big pump we had on Monday here, Ethereum has been struggling against this 0.786 Fibonacci level at around $3,800. And now we've pulled back down to the upper end of this 0.65, 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket, which ranges from about $3,600 to $3,650. So we may just settle down in this area until a decision is made for the spot ETF tomorrow.
Titans, we are your one-stop source for guiding you through this Bitcoin bull run. Please join us as we continue to provide the latest market and technical analysis that are going to give you that edge.